आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Arvind Kanojia and I warmly welcome you on my channel The Develop Mind. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the most common problem we all face while learning English is I speak fluently in my mind, but I cannot speak in real. My mind goes blank when I speak. This is going to be very interesting video because if you have been facing with this problem, then trust me, from now on you won't anymore. In this video, I will share few tips which will help you. Not only help you, but also it will make you to speak English as fast as you speak in your mind. Since English is my third language and I have learned it from the scratch, and these tips have been very helpful for me, which I'm going to share with you. Trust me, my friend, if I can do it, then you can do it as well. So let's start. Almost 90% English learners have great knowledge about English grammar. They understand English 100%. In fact, they are so fluent when they speak in their mind, but cannot speak in real. When they go to speak, their mind goes blank. Words just don't come out easily from their mouth. This is one of the most serious problems we all face when we start to speak in English. I am the living example in front of you. I spoke English in my mind in a tremendous way, but when it came to speak in real, I couldn't. Then I started thinking why my mind speaks so well, how I became so good in understanding English. Please make a note of this. You should also ask from yourself, how come you became so fluent when you speak in your mind? How you got good understanding power in English? Then I realized one thing which I kept doing ever since I started my journey of learning English speaking, which was practicing of thinking about English 24/7. When we start to speak, we think, oh my God, what if I make the mistake while speaking? People will make fun of me, laugh at me because of my mistakes, and we end up not practicing of English speaking in really. But we keep practicing in our mind. We think every time. We listen English stuff and we make sentences in our mind as well. And then the result we get, we speak more faster than our mouth. And why you speak more faster in your mind? Because you have been practicing of thinking about English ever since you have started to speak in English. I hope you are getting me what I mean, right? So there is a word I would like to spell for you. Practice. You have to practice every time. Not an hour, not a day, not a week, but every single second you have to practice. There are a few methods which helped me a lot to practice English speaking alone, which were very effective. Let's talk about that. Method 1 is speak in front of the mirror. This method was like magic to me. So what you have to do, just shut the door of your room and stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Keep in mind that while you are doing this, no matter how much your heart wants to go back to your mother tongue, don't do that. There may be moments after 1 or 2 sentences where you would want to go back to your mother tongue. Don't do that. Otherwise, what is the point of standing in front of the mirror and making all this effort? It will not give you any output of doing this. So no matter how much your heart wants, do not listen to it. Continue with English. Just stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. Choose any topic, whatever you like, movies, your daily routines, any books, whatever, but you have to speak every single day with yourself. Second method, which I love the most, is reading kids' storybooks. What happens in those storybooks, the words are used are very understandable. Obviously, those are meant for kids. Sentences are very small and easy to understand. By reading those books, you will get an idea how the English words are being constructed in a sentence. And while you are doing this, if you find that these are easy, then jump for another book like magazine, newspaper, etc. This is what you have to do. This is what I did in order to enhance my speaking skill practically. So just stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself and read storybooks or any other book as per your choice and interest, but you have to do every single day. Believe me, my friend, this method gave me such a great result. So it helped me, it will help you. Keep in mind that practice is extremely important with #consistency. You will have to practice consistently every single day. Without practice, you can never be perfect in anything. So if you read a lots of books, watch so many English shows, but if you don't practice, then it all will be worthless, waste of time. You will never be perfect till eternity. So keep remind yourself, practice is must. I know it's not that easy, but not too hard. Trust me, my friend, if I can do it, then I assure you, you can do it as well. My huge love and respect to all. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with all your friends. I'll see you in the next video with an amazing topic. Till then, pranam.